Hello and welcome to Edupedia World. So let's take a look at a last thing. I will do this pretty quickly because this chapter has gotten pretty long, but I want to create a quick little studio for this. So I'll just delete the lights that we've got already, and I will create a backdrop. So I want a large piece of like nicely bent stuff here in the background. So I will look from the side right here, so that's not the right side. I will look from this side, and then I'll go up and pick a kind of spline. I'll use a Bezier Spline, and I'll just start drawing over here. Click, drag like that, and then just click somewhere up here to create a nice large like curved area. Press 9 or 0 and just select these points and start moving them around so that they fit. Select this point once again, rotate it just a bit, and move it up. There we go. I will go back to the perspective view, and I'll take the spline, go back to the object mode, move it out to the side right here, hold Control, and make a copy on this other side. I'll take these two guys and highlight them, and then I'll create a loft node and put these two guys inside of the loft node, and that basically creates a large backdrop. I will take a few area lights and position them accordingly, like this. Scale it up, move it a bit backwards, take one, put it over here instead, and I will change the intensity to maybe something like 50% for this one, and leave this other one at maybe 115 or something. I'll go back to my camera, and I will then create a quick material. I'll just drop this onto the background like that, and I will then put the physical renderer to low instead of high. Maybe look from this side over here instead, and I will try and do a render. So I will actually put this to 50 millimeters instead of 70. I thought it was too much. I will quickly take this and just rotate it, and let's render this. And here we can really see how our material is reflecting the environment, because it's turning all white, and that's because of this white backdrop. It's reflecting the environment, but it's still, in my opinion, it still looks very nice. I may want to just change this a bit. Reflection strength, turn that down just a bit, maybe turn the roughness up, and just try and render once again. And I can see the reflections are a bit more tame. I may want to just add a bit more specular right now. And yeah, this looks very nice. If you have more objects, it's actually easier to do the rendering, because you can see how they act according to each other. When you just have one like this, it can be a little bit hard. But I will just turn up the settings to something like let's do medium for this one, and I will output full HD, and I will save this as high res number 2, and then I will show you guys the end result. So here you can see it's already started to render, and when it's done I will show it to you guys. So see you in a second. So as you can see, here is the finished high-res render of this robotic arm in our very quick to make studio. So you guys are really lucky. You just get to skip all the waiting all the time. Well, I just noticed this little flaw and this little flaw right here with the textures. I'm sure you're able to figure that out, but this is how it looks. If you zoom in, there's quite a lot of resolution, a little bit of grunge, but in my opinion it looks just quite alright. So that is about it for this chapter, where we talked about rendering, adding materials, lighting, cameras, all that stuff in Cinema 4D. So you guys can have a great day from now on. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for watching Edupedia World. Stay tuned for more videos.